Nandito tayo sa room 1305. Welcome to my condo here in Islamabad. Let's go! Officially ours. O, diba? Itutour namin kayo. Lumipad tayo agad-agad kagabi papunta dito sa Islamabad. So, and I'm gonna show you our mansion here, right?
Yeah.
Pasa Isbog. Ganon. Hi, Queens, and welcome to Pakistan! Yes, this is Queen Jade again, and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Season 3. And I'm with Arshad. O, diba? Nandito na siya ngayon. So, dahil napagod tayo sa Dubai, lumipad tayo agad-agad kagabi papunta dito sa Islamabad. So, nandito tayo ngayon. And I'm gonna show you yung aming newest bahay. This is our mansion here, right?
Yes.
We are in our condo.
Ours.
Yeah, officially ours. O, diba? Itutour namin kayo. So, kararating ko lang po kagabi. What time I arrived here? I think it's like 9 p.m. Which is na-late pa nga siya. You're late last night.
No,
Why?
you are lost.
O, diba? So, ngayon, eto, ipa-flash ko na lang dito yung video nung arrival ko and all. Ayan. So, may na-meet din tayo na tumulong sa akin kasi pagdating ko dito sa Pakistan, I don't have a network. Meron lang akong nakiusap doon na tinawagan siya kung nasaan na siya. But by the way, guys, nandito tayo sa Elysium. This is Elysium Tower.
Elysium Tower 1.
Yeah, Tower 1. We are in the 13th floor.
Highest.
Yes, ang taas, di ba? So, ayan, pakita ko sa inyo. Oh, pa. We have balcony. But before we go to the balcony, syempre, can you hold the camera for me? Say hi first to them.
Hello.
What can you tell to my queens?
Welcome to Season 3.
Season 3. They're looking for you. Why you're not with me?
I'm busy with work.
You are busy with work.
Yes.
Or you are not busy with me. Ang gulo ng hair ko dito. Bakit ganun? Can you just hold and then I will just make them a tour. Pakita ko sa inyo yung bahay, guys. But we will let's start from the outside. Para makita nila yung valor. So, ayan. So, ayan siya. Madami naman mga rooms dito. Nandito tayo sa room 1305. Welcome to my condo here in Islamabad. Let's go! Guys, pagpasensyahan nyo na kasi kagigising ko lang. Pero syempre, deadma tayo. Tama na tayo sa mga, alam niyo, super pagpapaganda, pagpapafresh, pagbibihis. Ito talaga tayo. I'm a province girl. So, just let's enjoy being myself. Kahit wala tayong ayos, okay lang yan sa Dubai. Pag lumalabas ako dun, kailangan laging nakaayos and all. Dito, deadma na. So, eto, ayan, di ba? Meron tayong fridge, of course. Meron tayong mga cabinets. May oven, di ba? Oven. Ayan, this is electric stove. This is not electric stove, no po. Tapos may mga drawers dyan. Ang nagustuhan ko dito kasi, ayan, pwede ka magluto. And yun yung na-miss ko kasi, yung pagluluto, kasama siya. Ayan, lababo, ayan, kitchen, normal, ayan. Then, meron na din tayong ditong planchahan, table. I think this is like coffee table na rin kasi, high chair siya. And nag-deliver na sila ng breakfast. Meron tayong chai, iinit na lang natin. And we have here, egg omelette. I miss this. May parata tayo but it's in the oven, ininit na. We have a very spacious couch. Ayan. May TV tayo doon. Kagabi nga, nanood na kami ng Netflix. Meron tayo dito table. And I think parang organizer siya something. Siyempre, ito talaga yung pinakamaganda sa lahat. Charan! Focus naman. O, di ba?
Since 2018. Sana all!
Ito yung ating balcony. Guys, mainit ngayon dito sa Islamabad. I think it's 30, 32 degrees Celsius. Medyo mainit. Alam niyo naman, ayaw natin ng init. Pero, I will still show you, of course, the balcony. O, diba? Pasa Isbog. Ganon. So, we have a view here. So, ito yung ating balcony. Okay. So, we have the view of the whole Islamabad. Makikita nyo here, on my left side, this is all my property. In the right side is the property of my fiancé. Ang naman! But ayun nga guys, summer ngayon. Bakit nga ba ako pupunta dito sa Pakistan? I just wanted to relax. Alam niyo sa Dubai, napaka-busy natin recently, no? Mga work, promotions, but of course, thank you Lord for the work. But may mga times na exhausting. So, I chose to pause and relax. And alam niyo naman, ang Pakistan became my third home. Siyempre, we're from Philippines. UAE became my second home. And I think I will consider that Pakistan is my third home. Char. Let's go. Close muna natin yung balcony kasi mainit na. And of course, we are going to the bedroom. So ito yung bedroom natin. 1 BHK apartment siya. We have here, I think this is a queen size or king size bed. Malambot naman yung kama. We have a very big cabinets there. Hindi ko na siya bubuksan guys. Makalat. Ang dala ko lang po is 7 kg luggage. Backpack lang ako. So ayan, ay baka ayan. Medyo makalat pa siya. And meron din dito, ayan maluwang. Siyempre, makalat. And then, meron naman tayong window dito. May extra bed, oh. Para pag gusto nyo kaming bisitahin dito, pwede kayo makitulog sa akin dito sa Islamabad. So, we have again a view here. Ayan. So, ayan lang. Kaya ako napili itong property na to kasi
I love view. I love view.
But what I liked here the most is yung washroom kasi malaki siya. Meron na rin tayo dito washing machine and ang tawag dito? Not magic mirror. Kalimutan ko tuloy. Vanity mirror. Ayan. Di mo kaya. And ang laki ng parang may hindi nag-flash. Someone didn't flash. It's you. May hindi nag-flash. May umihi. Tapos, sliding siya, I think. Diba? Yayamanin. Sliding ang shower. Ayan yung ating washroom area. Pasabog. O diba? Pasabog. Dito muna kami mag-i-stay. Hindi, lang guys. Hindi sa amin to. We rented this. And sabi nga ni Arshad, you're asking me why I rented the apartment, not hotel. Why?
Why?
Yeah. Kasi gusto niya, sana hotel lang. Kasi parang mas mura. I think, mura lang din naman siya. How much we paid for this one? It's like 61,000 rupees. 51. 51,000 rupees. Parang nasa 600 dirhams. Wala lang, magstay tayo dito for 2 nights and 3 days. So, magbe-breakfast muna tayo, guys. Kain muna tayo. Walang coffee. Alam niyo, isa sa hindi ko bet dito, sa Pakistan, ang hirap nilang magbigay ng kape. Why coffee is very hard to find here? Coffee is for... Alam nyo kasi sa kanila, ang buhay nila dito is chai. Dapat nga sabi niya sa akin last time, bumili na lang daw dapat ako ng mga sachet ng coffee. Ayan. So guys, yung ticket nga pala natin kagabi, no isang gabi lang ako talaga totally nag-decide na pumunta dito. Na-book ko yung ticket ko from Dubai to Islamabad ng nasa 1,600 dirhams sa mga nagtatanong. And doon po sa pagpa-process ngayon ng visa papunta dito, di ba nga na-share ko siya sa TikTok ko na last time, nire-require na nila na pumunta face-to-face doon sa consulate yung mga nag-apply ng visa like ako. Kasi nga they are receiving a high volume daw ng tourist dito sa Pakistan.
Because of you.
No, it's not because of me. Ang dami na rin naman ng mga vlogger din dito. Nauna, si Francis Candy, si Kay Toretto, si Maring Zelda, andito din, di ba? Hi, shoutout sa inyong lahat. Yusef, ang dami. Guys, mga kaibigan ko yung mga yan, ha? So, consulate, process, tanong, anong gagawin, sinong nandun. Kasi they want to make sure na kakilala mo talaga yung pupuntahan mo dito. What I love about Pakistan, makikita nyo naman guys sa mga tour natin, yung place, northern part of Pakistan, the very first time we traveled from Kalam to Mari, and then last time we went to Gilgit, we went to Hunza. Yung mga nakikita nyo, yung mga snow and all, alam niyo yung parang Virgin Island. Oo, parang ako. Char lang. Yung parang di pa nagalaw. Ang ganda. It's so beautiful. And bakit ko sinabi why I considered Pakistan is my third home? Because here, I can be myself. I feel like I can be myself. Yung mga tao dito very respectful. Paulit-ulit kong sinasabi yan. They are very accommodating. Parang mga Pilipino. they are hospitable din. Kanina nga sa aeroplano, ayaw ko talagang kumain. But yung flight attendant doon, siguro na-feel niya na baka ayaw kong kumain kasi baka iba yung food nila. Ini-insist niya akong mamili ng options, binigay niya yung mga pagkain, ipapa-flash ko na lang dyan. Ang unang sabi ko, vegetable, tas feeling niya, di ko bet, binigyan niya ako ng chicken. So ayun, ang plan ko lang, we are just staying here in Islamabad for, I think, 5 days. Sabi ko kay Arshad, hindi muna tayo masyadong magtutour siguro. Gusto ko lang talaga magpahinga. Gusto ko lang mapahinga yung katawan, gusto ko lang ma-reset yung utak and all, ma-refresh. So sabi ko, kahit dito lang tayo sa city, to city, just mga mall, and especially summer din kasi ngayon, guys. So yun lang muna for now. Mamaya, lalabas tayo, and I don't know, hindi ko paano kung saan pumunta, pero we are, I think, planning to go to Lahore. Yun lang ang mga plans natin sa ngayon. For now, kain muna tayo para magkalaman yung utak kasi kagigising lang talaga namin. Kaya, maraming salamat, guys, and see you later. Bye! So guys, bababa kami ngayon kasi no coffee. I look like Beanie, right?
Yeah.
Beanie, you know Beanie?
Yeah.
What is Beanie?
Benny.
Beanie, not Benny. Ano Benny ka dyan? Ben and Ben? You know, ako lalaki. Beanie! I'm Beanie Mika. Oh, yeah, you know. Salamin sa ding-ding na sinampa. Ay, baka makape. So yun, bababa tayo guys, bili tayo ng kape kasi walang kape. Yan ang, alam mo yung lagi ng problema walang kape. Ayaw ko na nga magkape, gusto ko na talaga magkape. Nasa 13th floor tayo, then baba lang. Then, merong coffee shop sa baba para makita nyo na din yung building natin. So, let's go! Yung coffee bean, guys, nandiyan lang siya sa gilid. Kailangan mong lumabas. Tapos kailangan mong pagdaanan yung metal detector. Oh, may paalam. So yun, guys, meron tayo ditong coffee bean, yung building natin. Ayan siya sa taas. Diba? See? It's very high. This is a high-rise building. Elysium Tower. So, dyan tayo nakastay ngayon. At ang nagustuhan ko dito sa hotel na to is may coffee shop. So, kahit walang pakape, ang property, makakapagkape pa din ako. So, bili tayo. Just black coffee. Ang cute naman dito. Pwede tayo makapili dito. Yeah, meron tayong espresso, cappuccino. Siguro mag-ano na lang tayo, cappuccino. Try cappuccino, low-fat milk. Medium. Why?
You think they have?
They have, I've seen. So, what will you say? It's cappuccino.
Condensed milk?
Low, ano condensed? Low-fat milk, medium.
You have too much milk.
So siya mag-order kasi siya yung may pera. You have the money, I don't have money. That's why. I think you can make, this is only the cube. So ayan guys, may mga pastries sila.
Cappuccino, low fat, medium.
Again, what is my order?
Cappuccino, low fat, medium.
Cappuccino, low-fat milk, medium. Ay, ang taray, ang ganda kasi meron silang pa-computer, doon, mga pa-laptop sa. So maghintay na lang tayo dito ng order natin, guys. Alam nyo, hindi talaga ako nabubuhay pag walang kape. So kailangan makapagkape tayo ngayon para bago tayo lalabas mamaya. Ang saya-saya ko, guys. I cannot contain my happiness. Kasi pag nasa ibang bansa ako, wala akong ibang naiisip. As in, nakikita ko lang yung paligid, yung mga tao, yung ganon. So, nalilesen yung mga yung mga worries ko, yung isipin ko sa trabaho, ganon. Super, wala, as in. Ang isipin ko lang dito mag-vlog, ganon. So, nakalimutan yata niya yung order ko. Which one? You have cappuccino?
Single shot, double shot.
A single shot only. Yeah.
Low fat.
Low-fat milk. Single shot or double shot? Pwede nyo naman akong shot-shotin. Saan daw ko gustong pumunta? Wala, gusto ko lang sa bahay. Gusto ko lang doon magpahinga lang talaga. Humiga lang, gano'n. Tapos mag-edit lang ng video. Mag-chill lang, yun lang talaga. So, yun lang talaga yung gusto kong gawin for this. Hintay lang natin yung coffee. So guys, tanungin natin si Arshad. Do you feel that I'm here right in front of you, the most gorgeous, sexy, the superstar, the most the most famous, only between us, ha? Right in front of you, the sexiest, the prettiest, the gorgeous Beanie of Philippines. What can you say?
Feels good. Feel like home. Feel like you're home.
Oh, tahanan mo, akes. Oh, feels like home? Anong kala mo sa akin, banyo? And then what else? Come on, tell us.
Else.
Pakiligin mo sila. What else? Like, what can you... Ang hirap magjowa na ibang lahi. English ka ng English, no? You know, it's very hard to think what you will say in English. Right?
Yes.
What is your advice to those people looking for love?
Find love before you die.
Find,
Before the love of God find you.
find love before you die. Before the love of God find you. So it means if they didn't find the love here in the earth, God will find them.
Yeah, God will give them eternal.
But you know what, Arshad? I don't know. He doesn't like. No, it's not like he don't like his country. Maybe he's from here, but he wants to travel outside. But I keep on telling him, your country is very beautiful.
Yes, that's why today I will show you museum history, how we built it.
Since it's summer, we will only see museums here in Pakistan.
Even you,
But what do you love about here in Pakistan?
everything.
Like
People, weather, fruits, home.
which one?
You.
Again?
You.
Me? Oh, ang tagal naman kasi nung kape dahil na pag-chika din, nakapag-Tony Talks na kami. But here in Islamabad, I can see the girls, they are more, you see, they don't even have cover on their faces, they have fully makeup, right? Like they are more open here. Kasi, because Islamabad is the capital, this is the city, capital of Pakistan. So, more modern.
It's Gen Z.
Gen Z? May Gen Z din pala dito. Oo, kasi kung makikita mo sila guys, ano lang din sila, open lang. Hindi kasi kagaya in Peshawar, sa place nila, mga tao doon, balot na balot. Minsan mata na lang talaga kita mo dahil. But here, I love it. So, asa na yung kape? So guys, ayan na. We got our coffee and we're going back to our hotel. Again guys, this is Beanie Mika. So, akit muna tayo. Pahinga tayo ulit. And then, ay! Yung chinelas. Yes. And we will explore more. Pagdadaanan na natin tong machine. Ay. One time I remembered also, there was one time na I'm not feeling good and you're just telling me, let's go. We fought. Hindi kami okay. Nag-away kami. I had fever. Better now. At that time, I had this Apple Watch. And then nag-blink-blink siya that my heart rate is getting high. That time, we fight. No, hindi kami okay. We're not okay that time. Dinala niya ako sa ospital. And then dumating din kami sa time that I cannot walk. So many hospitals rejected me because of the insurance. Yung mga joints ko, nang hina na siya, hindi na ako makalakad. And that was the time that we discovered the result was I was COVID positive. I was just staying on a loft-type partition, and then I was telling him, don't come. I told to myself, when we separated, maybe I will never have a same relationship with Arshad to another person. And I don't want